Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Truck Bed Covers is probably one of the most essential accessories for any truck owner, offering a blend of security, protection, and improved aesthetics for your pickup. Whether you're hauling gear for work, heading out on a weekend adventure, or simply want to keep your truck bed looking pristine, a quality bed cover can make a significant difference in functionality and appearance. This video will dive deep into what makes a truck bed cover stand out, helping you make an informed decision for your specific needs and preferences. Number 5. oEdRo Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover for Ford F-155.5 feet. This tonneau cover is designed to perfectly fit your 2009 to 2014 Ford F-150 with a 5.5-foot bed. Enjoy a secure and seamless fit for your truck. Crafted with a double layer of PVC, it offers excellent UV protection and superior tensile strength. It's built to withstand the elements and protect your cargo. Instantly transform your truck bed into a secure, dust-proof, and snowproof trunk. Keep your belongings safe and protected with our easy-to-use rear clamps. Installation is a breeze with no extra tools required. Most trucks can be fitted without drilling, and the included manual ensures a smooth setup process. Give your truck a sleek, modern look while keeping your cargo hidden and secure. It's the ideal solution for daily use, outdoor adventures, or long road trips. This cover not only enhances your truck's appearance but also provides a versatile storage space. Experience the perfect blend of style and functionality. What we like. This cover offers robust protection with its double-layer PVC material, ensuring your cargo stays safe from the elements. If you're looking for a secure and convenient way to protect your gear from snow and dust, this is a great choice. Its easy, no-drill installation makes it ideal for everyday users who want quick access and peace of mind. What people say. The cover is easy to install and provides a sleek, low-profile look. It effectively keeps water and dust out of the truck bed, protecting cargo. The locking mechanism is secure and adds an extra layer of theft deterrence. Number 4. oEdRo Soft Trifold Tonneau Cover for Nissan Frontier. This soft trifold tonneau cover is designed for a great fit on your 2005 to 2026 Nissan Frontier with a 5-foot bed. It's compatible with most models, ensuring a seamless integration with your truck. Constructed with a double layer of PVC, it offers excellent UV protection and superior tensile strength. The pre-assembled rails and clamps ensure it's built to last and withstand the elements. Enjoy the perfect blend of security, convenience, and style. It transforms your truck bed into a secure trunk, protecting your cargo from snow and dust. Installation is a breeze with no extra tools or drilling required for most trucks. Just follow the included manual for a quick and easy setup. It provides comprehensive protection for your truck bed, keeping it safe from snow and dust. Waterproof strips are included for added security day and night. With the tailgate lock, your truck bed becomes a secure trunk. This cover offers peace of mind, knowing your belongings are protected from the elements and unauthorized access. What we like. Experience enhanced security with its heavy-duty, double-layer PVC construction and a reliable tailgate lock system. If you need a cover that provides comprehensive protection against snow, dust, and UV rays, this option is perfect for you. It's designed for those who prioritize a completely secure and weatherproof truck bed. What people say. The cover is easy to install and remove, taking only a few minutes. It provides excellent protection against weather elements, keeping the truck bed dry and secure. The low-profile design looks sleek and doesn't add unnecessary bulk to the truck. Number 3. Xcover Low-Profile Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. Introducing the Xcover Low-Profile Hard Folding Tonneau Cover, designed to keep your cargo safe and secure in any weather. Its robust construction ensures your belongings are protected from moisture and dirt, no matter the conditions. This cover offers a sleek, low-profile design that sits inside your truck bed, leaving stake pockets fully accessible. Enjoy a clean look without compromising functionality. Experience peace of mind with our unique clamping system and theft protection. The patent-pending design allows for easy one-finger release and automatic locking, while the scratch-resistant hard panels offer maximum security. Engineered for extreme conditions, its durable hard panels can support up to 500 pounds of evenly distributed weight. It's built to withstand the elements and protect your gear for years to come. Get protected in minutes with our no drilling, fully assembled design. Installation is straightforward, ensuring you can enjoy the benefits of this cover without any hassle. We stand by our product with a 5-year warranty against defects in materials and workmanship. Enjoy your purchase with confidence, knowing we've got you covered. What we like. This cover boasts a sleek, low-profile design that sits flush with your truck bed, maintaining full use of stake pockets. If you desire maximum security against theft and harsh weather with a premium, durable hard panel construction, this is the one to consider. It's ideal for those who want a stylish yet highly secure solution for their truck. What people say. The cover is easy to install and remove. It keeps the bed dry and protects the cargo. The cover is made of durable material and looks great. Number 2. Autosaver 88 Soft Roll-Up Tonneau Cover for Nissan Frontier 5 feet. Introducing the Autosaver 88 Soft Roll-Up Tonneau Cover, designed specifically for your Nissan Frontier with a 5-foot bed. Enjoy enhanced protection and style for your truck. Installation is a breeze with our no-drill clamps that securely fasten the rails to your truck bed. Everything you need is included, making setup quick and easy. Don't let the weather stop you. Its specially designed arched crossbars ensure water flows off the surface, preventing accumulation and protecting your truck bed. Crafted with a double-layer PVC cover, it resists tears and abrasion for long-lasting performance. The sturdy aluminum framework and stainless steel clamps provide a strong, secure seal. Our reliable spring latching system and adjustable tension ensure a consistently tight fit. This prevents wrinkles and folds, offering all-around protection in any weather. Need to access your entire bed? Simply roll up the cover to the bulkhead for convenient and complete access to your cargo. What we like. Enjoy effortless access to your entire truck bed with its convenient roll-up design and painless no-drill installation. If you need a cover that effectively sheds water and offers robust protection from the elements, this is an excellent pick. It's perfect for those who frequently need to load and unload cargo and want a secure, waterproof solution. What people say. The cover is easy to install and remove. It provides excellent protection against the elements. The cover is durable and has held up well over time. Number 1. oEdRo Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover for Toyota Tacoma. This soft roll-up tonneau cover is designed for a perfect fit on your 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma with a 5-foot bed. It's compatible with the track rail system, ensuring a seamless integration with your vehicle. Keep your belongings safe and protected. Our cover offers a great combination of security, convenience, and appearance, converting your truck bed into a secure trunk against the elements. With a tailgate latch lock system and secure side seals, it reliably protects your cargo from snow, rain, UV rays, and dust. Your items will remain dry and secure. Constructed with a double layer of PVC, this cover is built to last. It features UV protection and excellent tensile strength, ensuring long-term durability and performance. Installation is a breeze. No extra tools or drilling are typically required, making it easy to set up with the included manual. You'll have it on in no time. The improved aerodynamic design not only enhances your truck's look but also helps to improve gas mileage. Enjoy a smoother ride and potential fuel savings. What we like. This cover is specifically designed for trucks with a track rail system, offering a perfect fit and enhanced aerodynamics for potential fuel savings. If you own a Tacoma with a track rail system and are looking for a secure, weather-resistant cover that integrates seamlessly, this is your best bet. It provides a tight seal against snow, rain, and dust. What people say. The cover is easy to install and remove. It keeps the bed dry and protected from the elements. The cover is made of durable material and looks great. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.